Adverbs. A very good morning to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us learn about adverb of place. Okay. So in today's session, we are going to learn about adverb of place. We have already learned about adverbs. We know what our adverbs are, and we have learned about the two different kinds of adverbs. That is adverb of manner and adverb of time. So adverb of manner answers the question. Come on, tell me. Adverb of manner answers the question. How? Adverb of manner answers the question how. Because adverb of manner ends in Y. So it answers the question. Answers the question how. So adverb of manner answers the question how. And adverb of time answers the question when. Okay, adverb of time answers the question when. You have to ask a question when. Only then you will get the answer. Okay, today, tomorrow, yesterday, then last week, last year, later, soon. All these are the words. Okay, now, yes, now, earlier, soon. All these are the words. So we are familiar with the adverb of time. Now let's move on to the adverb of place. So in order to know a place, normally we ask a question where. Okay, where are you staying? Okay, so where? So in order to know the place, that is adverb of place, answers the question where, and it describes where the action has taken place. Clear to all of you? Where the action has taken place. For action, for example, my dad went. Went is the action word there. Where did he go? He went outside. Outside means it can be to any place. Okay, outside means it can be to any place. We are not mentioning which place actually where he has gone. Just we are saying that outside. So my papa went outside. So which is the adverb of place here? Outside. Now your parents are asking you somewhere, where is he now? He is there. There means there is. It shows that you are somewhere there. Okay, there he is. So there is the adverb of place. So here, there, somewhere, everywhere, inside, outside. These are the words which tells us, which shows us where the action has taken place. So yes. Okay, upstairs, downstairs, inside, outside, everywhere, somewhere. These are the places. Yes, backyard. Very good. Yes. So let's move on to the adverb of place. Okay, so the time we have already completed. Now let's move on to the next adverb, that is adverb of place. Okay, so we are in worksheet 18. 19 is all about everything together, everything mixed up. We have to do an exercise on it. Okay, so all of you please look at it. This is worksheet 18. It is all about adverb of place, but it is not mentioned here adverb of place. It's all about adverb of place. Okay, my dear children. So all of you please have a look at it. An adverb that gives information about the place. All of you look at the slide very carefully when the slide is being displayed. When I show you the slide, all of you please have a look at it. So here, so I'll take a different color. I mean, yellow is not highlighting it. Okay, so an adverb that gives information about the place is called an adverb of place. Is that clear to all of you? An adverb that gives information about the place. It tells us where the action has taken place. Is that clear to all of you? It tells us where the action has taken place, and it answers the question where. Clear to all of you? Yes, hope you all of you have understood. Yes, my dear children?
Yes. Yes.
So adverb of place answers the question where, and it tells us where action has taken place, and it tells us where the action has taken place. These are some of the examples. All of you please have a look at it. So here, there, upstairs, downstairs, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, and nearby. Nearby. Okay.
Nearby.
Let's say it once more. Let us be thorough with it. Whatever we learn, we
ma'am.
should be thorough with it. But with minimum time, we have to grasp the content. Okay. So it is here, there,
Here.
there.
There.
Okay, so we have learned two words. Here, there. Then upstairs, downstairs. This is very easy. Here, there, upstairs, downstairs. Okay. Now, inside, outside. Okay. Inside, outside. Then there are words like everywhere, somewhere. Okay, is it not very easy to learn? So here, there, upstairs, downstairs. Okay, inside, outside. Okay, everywhere, somewhere, and nearby. So there are 9 words altogether there. These are not only, I've given you a few examples, but there are, as you go through the exercises, you will be coming across many more words as such. So you have to need to ask a question. If you're confused a little, ask a question where. So you will get the answer, and that is the adverb of place. So with practice, we will learn much more. Okay, so here are 4 sentences for us. This is just our examples for us. Devnanda, come on, Devnanda, come on, read the question. These 4 sentences are not there in your workbook. Yes, come on.
The book is kept here.
Here, come on, identify the adverb of place.
Here.
Here, very good. Here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, Anushka, come on, Anushka. Come on. He went.
there.
Yes, come on, identify the adverb of place.
There.
There. Okay.
Thank you. Ma'am, Christine.
Wait. I'll ask you. You please don't call out your names.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes. Safania, you're there, but your only chair is there. You're not present. Your chair is present. Advait, come on. Read the next question.
She is sitting upstairs.
Okay, come on, tell me.
Upstairs.
Very good. Upstairs. Ellen, come on. Ellen? Ellen? Yes, come on. Read the next question. Everyone will be getting a chance. Wait for your turn. Ah.
Present.
Yes, I know it's Safania is present, but I did not see you there in the place. That's why I called you. Okay, Ellen, come on. Ellen. She?
looked for
Correct.
Where?
Okay, come on. Identify the adverb of place there. Everywhere. Very good.
Everywhere.
Yes. So this is all about, and there is an exercise in your workbook in page number 32 and 33. Okay. So pick out the adverb of place in the following sentences. Okay, what you have to do, you have to underline the adverb of place. The teacher told me to stand there. Now, come on, tell me which is the adverb of place there. There. Okay, so you have to underline the adverb of place. Okay, so this exercise, you can do it as homework. Can you do it?
Yes.
Yes. Now, there is an exercise for you. All of you, please do take this exercise. Let's do this picture. Let's do this exercise. All of you take your pencils and that 6 sentences you can do, 8 sentences you can do it by yourself. Okay, now this. Hang the picture. That is what? Hang the picture. Who can give me the answer? Just raise your hands. I'll call you. Huh? Just raise your hands. Okay, Satvik, come on. Satvik. Satvik. Yes. Yes, not on the wall. Here we have to compare the sentence with an adverb of place. So what do we write there? Hang the picture.
Up.
Hang the picture. Where do we hang the picture? Any, yes?
Wall.
Wall. Okay, wall. Okay, but. Yes, Safania, come on.
Hang the picture on the wall.
On the wall, we can't say it, my dear. Here we have to say like words like here, there, outside, inside, like that. Okay. Inside.
Hang the picture
That somewhere. Okay. Somewhere we can't do it. It is our house. So we have to hang the picture somewhere. Somewhere in this. Okay. Inside. Or we can write there, hang the picture there. Or hang the picture here. Okay, page number is 33. Okay, or you can write there, hang the picture here or hang the picture there, whichever it is. Okay, so hang the picture there. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the Shivata.
Small the spin. Pen. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
You can small the pen. It's
Yes,
very
yes, yes. It's very dark. Huh? Okay, okay. So I'll do it.
Ma'am, can you change the color of
Color you wanted. Yes, I'll do it. It's not clear.
Yes.
Okay, hang the picture there. T-H-E-R-E. Now is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, okay. Shivada, come on, do the next question.
I looked for him here.
I looked for him. I looked for him everywhere, you can say. Okay, here also it's okay. I looked for him everywhere, but I could not find him. Okay, please do write it everywhere.
Everywhere.
Okay, come on, write. I looked for him everywhere.
Yes, ma'am. Next, Ryan.
Wait, please don't call out your names. I'll be calling out your names. Okay, Crispin, come on, Crispin. Okay, now do the third question. I hope you are doing it. Yes.
He will come inside.
He will come inside.
He will come house.
House means what? Where it is? He will come. Best means here. House is here. He will come here. So don't forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. That is a basic rule. Okay. So he will come here. Okay, come on, write those who haven't finished.
Next, Ryan can do.
Wait. I'll call you. Please don't call out your names.
Finish.
Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Akshay, come on, Akshay. Akshay? Yes, come on, read the question.
How far
is the
railway station
from where?
Here.
Here, very good. That's right. From here. Okay. How far you have come to a place and you are asking how far is the railway station from here? Okay. How far is a question mark? Question mark is already there. How far is the railway station from here? That's right. Very good. Dia.
Yes, ma'am. I left from here.
Yes, I left him. I left him.
By here.
I left him. You can write more appropriate is I left him there. Okay, where did you leave him? I left him there. Okay, so he has to go somewhere. So you left him there. Okay, so please do write it. So these are the appropriate answers. Okay. According to the sentence. Okay.
Then I'm finished.
Okay.
I'm finished. And I wrote.
Today many are present today. Otherwise, here in this class, many will be absent.
Finish. Can we start the next? Excuse me, ma'am. I finished the 8th question homework now.
It's okay, okay. Okay, children, very good.
Can we?
If you're finished, wait for everyone to finish. Okay. I'm just looking at all your work.
We want to circle or we want to underline?
Just underline. Just underline.
Okay. Go there. followed me Maggie everywhere.
Have all of you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. 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 Mother is outside. Yes. Outside. Yes, ma'am. Do not walk backward. Backward. The army found the kings down. Ma'am, finish.
Yes, okay. Now listen. So if all of you have finished, so there is an exercise on page number worksheet 19, my dear children. So all of you, please do take page number 19. I'm sorry, worksheet 19, page number 34.
So many questions are there.
Yes, many questions are there. But you have to do it as homework. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, this is a revision. It's a revision exercise of what we have already learned. That is, it is a combination of different kinds of adverb. That is, we have already learned about adverb of place, manner, and time. So here you have to identify the word and tell what kind it is. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, have you all of you are ready? Ready with your workbook? Yes. Now I thought of doing a few of you with you. Why means so you should be familiar with the exercise.
And all worksheets are mixed.
Yes, it is a revision. I told you it's a revision of manner, time, and place. So you have to read the sentence well, and you have to identify the
adjective.
What is it?
Adjective, sir.
What are we learning? Are we learning about adjectives?
No.
Then what are we learning now?
Adverb of manner, place, time.
Yes, we are learning about adverb. Adverb of manner, place, and time. Okay, so we are learning about adverb of manner, place, and time. So here in this exercise, we have to identify the adverb. Okay, we have to identify the adverb and say what kind it is. Is that clear to all of you? Yes. Have all of you understood? Clear? Yes. So let's do it.
Yes.
So the first one, all of you please mute your audios. Don't talk unnecessarily. Only if it's necessary, please do talk. Otherwise, please mute your audios. Okay. So now, underline the adverb and write what kind it is. Okay. The sun shines brightly. I'll do first one for you. So you have to underline the adverb here. Which is the adverb here? It is brightly. And you have to say what kind it is. What kind of adverb it is? Adverb of
manner.
Adverb of manner. So you have to write it in this way. Adverb of manner. Is that clear to all of you? It's a revision of all the different kinds of adverbs we have done. So when you do this, children, please see that you do it very, very neatly. Otherwise, your book may look very, very shabby. Clear? So now let's move on to the next person. I'll move on to Ryan Manu. Did you get a chance?
Ma'am.
Yes, come on, do this first. Second question.
We must eat our food slowly.
Okay, come on, identify the adverb there.
Must eat our food slowly.
Slowly is the adverb. Come on, tell me what kind it is.
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. So this is the way you have to do it. But when you do it, please do it very, very neatly. Okay. Children, I told you I will be giving a chance to everyone. Okay. So please wait for your turn.
Do we want to write adverb?
Yes. You have to write that adverb of manner. This is the way you have to do it.
Okay.
Now let me call upon, I think so, Haran. I did not call him. Okay, Haran, come on, do the third question.
Yes, ma'am. The woman spoke loudly.
So, loudly, very good. Loudly is the adverb here. And what kind of adverb it is? What kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of manner.
Adverb of manner, very good. Adverb of manner, very good. Okay. Now, Aman, come on, Aman. Do the next question. I hope all of you are doing it. I wanted to see you all doing it. Yes, read the fourth question. Some of you haven't started your work.
Your
Come on, read the question. It is there in front of you. Open your book to page number 34. And if you can't read it from the slide, you can read it from your workbook. Come on, read.
you
Have
your lessons well.
you have done your lessons well. Come on, identify the adverb there.
Done.
No, others please don't answer. Okay. Done is the adverb there. Done is what? Amen. Done. Wait. Please don't answer. I told you. Let him answer. You have done your lessons well. Okay. Now you have to identify the adverb there. Come on, tell me which is the adverb there.
Lessons.
No, it's wrong. Sri Bala, come on, tell me. Identify the adverb in the sentence.
Have.
Come on, read the question. Fourth question. Read it. This is just a revision. Let me see whether you have understood. Come on. It's no matter in giving you all the sentences as homework. No, I have to check whether you have understood or what. You have done your lessons well. Okay, identify the adverb there. Which is the adverb there? No one should give me the answer. Everyone, if that person doesn't answer, the question passes on to the next person. Okay, let me see who can give me the answer. You wait for your turn. Sri Bala. Okay. Vrinda, come on, read the question. Fourth question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
come on.
have done your lesson well.
Well, okay, come on, identify the adverb there.
Well.
Well, very good. So I've already told you, children, well. So hard, fast, well. What kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of
Adverb of? Adverb, very good. Adverb of manner. Hard, fast, and well, it is adverb of manner. Why is it you're forgetting? Okay, so ly means it is adverb of manner. It is very easy to identify. But we have to remember only 3 words. I haven't given you a long list. It is only 3 words are there. Hard,
I don't get the 10th question.
Which 10th question you're talking about?
The question, we should always speak the truth.
That you wait till that question comes for you. Okay. So we have only completed with 4 questions. So you have done your lessons well. So well is the adverb there, adverb of manner. It's good that you have reached 10 questions. Great job. Okay, I'll congratulate you for that. Now let's move on to Jeroen. Okay, you're doing your self-work. Okay. Now let's, yes, my dear.
I complete
Yes, if you have completed is okay. Just we are doing it. As we do it, you recheck your work, see that whether your answers are right and put a tick mark against your answers. Okay. Come on, Jeroen. Come on, read the 5th question.
The horse
Galloped.
Galloped
Fast. Very good. The horse galloped fast. So galloped. Yes. Galloped is what? Is it galloped? Galloped is what it is. Is it a verb or an adverb? Verb or an adverb? Jeroen. So when you read the sentence, galloped is an adverb for you? Galloped. The horse galloped means what? Galloped fast. Come on, think and give me the answer. Galloped fast. Okay, Prithvin, come on, read the sentence once more and give me the answer.
The horse
Galloped. Fast. Okay, come on, the adverb there. Give me the. What is it? Galloped. Galloped is what? Is it a verb or an adverb? Verb. Okay, then where is which is the adverb there? Fast. Fast. What kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of manner.
Manner. How come you know that it is fast? It is adverb of manner. Come on, tell me. Which are the words that tells you it is adverb of manner? Come on, tell me.
Comedy.
Which are the words? Come on, tell me. Which are the words that tells you that it is adverb of manner? Come on, tell me. Prithwin. Children, so when you look at the sentence, children, what you said is right. Fast is an adverb of manner, but you should be sure. Okay, so the horse galloped fast. The horse, what did the horse do? Galloped. Galloped, it is the verb there. I'm explaining to everyone. Galloped is verb. The horse, the movement of the horse it is. That is galloped. It is verb. How did the horse gallop? Fast. So fast is the adverb here. Didn't we learn that adverb of manner, other than the words that ends with ly, there are only 3 words, that is hard, fast, and well. So fast, what type of adverb it is? Come on, tell me. The Prithvi, give me the answer. What type of adverb it is, my dear? Say it once more. Your answer is right, but it is, you should have a clear idea. Concept should be very, very clear. Come on, fast. What kind of adverb it is? Prithwin, are you there? Unmuted and give me the answer. I have unmuted you all. Come on, unmute it. Yes, come on. Fast. What kind of adverb it is? Adverb of? Adverb of? Manner. Children, only 3 words. Need to keep it in mind. Adverb of manner. That is hard, fast, and well. So it is fast. So it is adverb of manner. Galloped is a verb. And it will answer the question how. How did the horse gallop? Fast. So fast is the adverb of manner because it answers the question how. Okay, so in a sentence, you should have a clear idea, just not calling out some words. Okay, so as you are asking, some children, when you answer it, I know it that you know the concept well. Okay, so when you answer the question, you should be thorough. Here the verb is galloped, ma'am. And when we ask a question, how, it answers the question how, and the adverb is fast. So adverb of manners, other than ly, there are only 3 words, that is hard, well, and fast. You should be confident enough to give the answers. Okay, children. So, Angelica, come on. Angelica, come on. Others, please do mute it. That's why I'm giving you a mute all. You're busily talking there. Angelica, unmute it. Yes, come on, read the question. That's why I'm asking you again and again. It's not the mean that I should get a confident answer. Only then I can understand that you have understood. Yes. Come on, read the question 6.
The soldiers
fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. It is fought.
Fought bravely.
Bravely. Okay. So come on, identify the adverb of manner.
Bravely.
Bravely. Very good. Bravely. Because we have already learned that most of the adverb of manner ends in ly. And what kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of manner.
Very good. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, it is very, very easy to identify it. Okay, nothing much of work. Only thing is we need to understand the sentence. Very good. Now let's move on to very good Angelica. Now let's move on to Vinayak. Vinayak, come on, read the next question. That's why I thought of doing this exercise. Otherwise, I would have given you as homework. But I should know how is that you're doing it. Yes, come on, do it. Yes. 7th question.
The play will begin now.
Okay, come on, identify the verb there. Verb.
Begin.
Will begin. Okay, now answers the question. Ask a question. What question you will answer?
When
Very good.
we play.
When will the play begin? Okay, then what the answer you have got?
Now.
Now. So now what kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of time.
Time. Very good. Very good. Well done. So it answers the question when. So we know that it is adverb of time. Is that clear to all of you? It is very easy. Adverb of time. Only thing is you need to identify the verb. Ask a question when, according to the answer, ask a question. It is when, where, or how. You will get the answer, and that is what it is. If it answers how, it is adverb of manner. If it is answers when, it is adverb of time. And if it answers where, it is adverb of place. Very good, very good. Good job. Okay, Ashik Satyan, come on, Ashik. Move on to the 8th question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do it.
My
Come on, read the question. Sri
my
Bala, I'll be asking you questions again, okay? Wait for your turn. My uncle.
loves
What is
her.
it? What is it? You read from your workbook. What is that is given? It lives. My uncle lives. Here. My uncle
her
lives here. Okay, come on.
here.
Okay.
Here.
Here, what kind of adverb it is?
Here.
And what kind of adverb it
Of
is?
manner.
Manner it is, here it is.
Adverb of time.
Adverb of time. That's what I told you, you haven't understood it. Here, you have to first of all identify the verb here. Come on, tell me which is the verb here. Come on, tell me. Identify the verb here. Ashik. Ashik is the one who's answering now. Yes, my uncle lives here. Identify the verb, Ashik. Only there are 4 words are there. My uncle lives here. Identify the verb there. Identify the verb there. Yes, Ryan Manu. I'm sorry, Ryan MU.
My uncle lives here. Here.
Here is, no, I wanted the verb there. Verb.
And adverb of place.
Okay, adverb of place. I wanted the verb. Come on, identify the verb here. Let all of them understand. What is that? Lives.
Lives.
And you have to answer lives and ask a question. Which question you have to answer?
Where did my uncle live?
Very good. Where did my uncle live? So you will get an answer. What is the answer you're getting?
Here.
Here. So here, what kind of adverb it is?
Adverb of place.
Yes, very good. Adverb of place. Okay. So please try to do this exercise, children. So this is an exercise. Only then if you're thorough with all this, I can move on to the next chapter. Only if we complete this exercise also, I'll be coming up with more exercise for you. Unless we are thorough, we are not moving on to the next topic. Okay, children. So with this, I'm going to wind up today's session. Okay. Hope you have understood. Please read through your workbook very well and do till exercise 8 in your workbook. Please do complete page number 34. Okay. So bye-bye, children. Thank you all. Bye, my dear. Have I unmuted you all? Yes. Bye-bye, children. Thank you. Bye.